Hello trader. Today is the 30th of November, last trading day of the month. What a blessing day, guys. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in pound dollar and help my traders bank amazing profits. If you look at the 4-hour chart, yesterday at the New York session, we had this long trade here, guys. And after banking some profit today, as I explained to my trader, if you look at, let me make it slightly bigger. So if you look at here, as explained, the price action. You can see the price rejected many times. You can see here, so many time rejection, and we were looking this breakout. If you look ahead technically, so intraday we also had a beautiful pattern for the short trade. As soon as the market hit to the previous low level, that's what explained to my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So it looks like the market is developing a bull flag pattern in a high time frame, but we managed this short. Being an intraday, we also taken short trade bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in entry. As mentioned here yesterday, we had this beautiful long trade, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as I said, let the market wait for the develop certain structure. So market develop, you can see a symmetric triangle pattern, market nicely broken. Beautiful. As soon as the market hit to the first target, that's what explained my trader. Either you can consider tightening your stop loss at the move, or move your stop loss at the break even, or even you can bank some profit on pound dollar. So guys, if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community. Have a nice day.